Jasmine the Moon Bear. Okay. So I just got home from school and I got some things in the mail. This first thing I was so excited to get for a long time, and I finally got it. It's the decal for my car. Hey! But that's just the beginning. Then I got this box. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I got that box. Okay. It says my information, and then it says Twiggy's information. Jeordie White. I'm cute. Okay. Okay. Open it. Oh, I don't want to stab you. Eeh. I'm keeping this box forever. And this box will be my prized possession. Cut! Yay! Cut! Cut! Cut. Okay. Yay! Oh! Wrapping paper! Twiggy touched this. Oh, I bet Lainey did this. It's a little... Look at the deal. It's a little Hello Kitty sticker. Share with kid. Bet Lainey did that. I don't want to rip it. Oh my god, I'm gonna be so careful. Beautiful. Okay, first, look at. Can't tell, but it's the MM Nazi symbol thing, and on the back it says no reason. I've always wanted this too. Oh my god. Oh, he gave me two, and now, did Twiggy do? Not Jimmy Twiggy do. Oh, oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, look at that booty. Oh, I can't believe it. I'm so excited. This is the best thing, best purchase ever. Hello, my new friend. I love you, Twiggy. This is the best day ever. Just kidding. But yeah.